Alright, so we are given this lengthy expression to simplify. So we have 1 over 1 and 1 half, sorry, 1 and 1 half times 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 half over 1 plus 1 half over 1 plus 1 minus 1 half over 1 plus 1 half. So this is quite complex. So what we are going to do is simplify parts by parts. Now, let's try to simplify this part of our expression first. 1 and 1 half, 1 plus 1 half. And as you can see here, these two are just the same. So you have 1 and 1 half over 1 plus 1 half and 1 minus 1 half over 1 plus 1 half. So simplify, 1 minus 1 half is just 1 half. Alright, next, 1 plus 1 half is just 3 halves. So we are going to substitute this by 1 half and this by 3 halves. Let's do that. So we have now 1 minus 1 half over 3 halves and then 1 plus 1 half over 3 halves. Let us simplify further. 1 over 2 or 1 half over 3 halves is just equal to 1 half times the reciprocal of 3 halves, which is 2/3, and that will give us 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Simplify, we have 1/3. So basically, this entire thing is just equal to 1/3. Then again, the same is true here. So we will now have 1 minus 1/3, 1 plus 1/3. Now, what is 1 minus 1/3? 1 minus 1/3 is just 2/3, while 1 plus 1/3 is just 4/3. So let's try to simplify again this part of our expression. So we have 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3, 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3. So we will now have 1 minus 2/3 over 4/3. Simplify, 2/3 over 4/3. Again, we have 2/3 times the reciprocal of 4 over 3, which is 3/4, and that will give us 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, or this is just 1 half. So basically, this is just 1 half. So we will write 1 minus 1 half. Now, what is 1 minus 1 half? Actually, we have it here earlier. 1 minus 1 half is equal to 1 half. So basically, this entire thing is just 1 half. So we will write 1 and 1 half times 1 half. Now, what is 1 and 1 half? That is just equal to 3 halves, right? And then multiply it by 1 over 2 or 1 half. 3 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, our answer is just 3 over 4 or 3/4. So this entire thing is just 3 over 4 or again 3/4.